Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this coffee shop. And you?
It's my first time here.
What would you like to drink?
I think I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
I usually drink black coffee.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 5 minutes away. And you?
I live across town.
I'm a designer.
I'm a student, and you?
Yes, I enjoy it. I design websites.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your work?
You should try. It's fun and creative.
Cool. I also want to learn design.
Sure, anytime.
Thanks. Maybe you can give me some tips.
Nice meeting you too, Anna. Have a good day.
Okay, my coffee is here. It was nice meeting you. You too, bye.